Hi, I'm Yaz, your artsy BFF. Today we're diving into something super important, creativity as a form of self-care, self-love, and expression. And we're also saying goodbye to perfectionism. If you've ever felt like you needed to get it perfect, this one's for you. When we think about self-care, we often picture face masks, bubble baths, or maybe a cozy book. But creativity can be just as powerful. It's not just about making beautiful art. It's about reconnecting with yourself. Whether you're painting, crafting, or doodling, creativity lets you pause, breathe, and express how you're feeling without any rules or expectations. Remember, it's the process, not the outcome. That's the real self-care. It's about making time for you, giving yourself the space to explore without the pressure of perfection. And trust me, that's healing in itself. Next up, self-love. Art has this magical way of helping us appreciate ourselves even more. Every time you pick up a paintbrush or start a new project, you're investing in your well-being. You're taking a moment to love what you're creating and in turn, loving yourself. It's all about celebrating your uniqueness, your creative quirks, your mistakes, and even your imperfections. No one else has your artistic voice, and when you embrace that, you're showing yourself love in the truest form. Forget trying to please anyone or hit some elusive standard. Art, like self-care, is deeply personal and just for you. Creativity is also a powerful form of expression. It's a way to share your inner world with the outside world, but even if you keep it private, it helps you communicate your feelings and thoughts in a way that words can't. Art gives you a language that doesn't need to be perfect. It's about the freedom to say what's on your mind, and that alone can be freeing. When you're out of your head and into your hands, you're allowing your emotions to flow, even when words fail you. That's expressive freedom, and trust me, it's liberating. Alright, let's talk about perfectionism. We all struggle with it, right? But here's the thing, perfectionism kills creativity. When you're so focused on getting things just right, you block out your own expression. So let go of the need for perfection. Instead, embrace imperfection. It's beautiful, it's real, it's authentic, and it's you. The most powerful art comes from moments of raw, unrefined emotion, not from trying to meet some standard. So today, let's pinky promise each other, no more chasing perfection, just freedom. You are enough, your creativity is enough, and your art is perfect just as it is. If you're ready to embrace your creativity as your form of self-care and self-love, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and please don't forget to subscribe. For more art advice just like this, click this playlist here. Thank you so much for watching. Happy arting!